Hi guys, me Misha. Everything I say is not financial advice, my personal opinion. Let's take a look at the day and prep for tomorrow. Everything looks very logical to me personally on the market right now. So yeah, IW Russell 2000 is buyable from here. It's doable. Dow Jones, yeah, is in the that's the transition extreme now. I'm fooling around because, like, you already know, it's like too tight. Look at the daily range. It's just, yeah, with not in my good conscience, I would trade it from here, buy it from here, from this level. Even for like super quick, like 5 minutes, I don't know. Just doesn't make any sense. Meantime, we are getting a transition extremum on another attempt to form a transition extremum on SPY. Unvolumed. You never know, but as of now, well, it is volume because extremum was formed by 2 bars, and on the second bar there is a volume, but nothing looks like a reversal, but you never know. Meantime, Q's closes 2-bar upthrust. That would not need a closed manipulation signal on superior time frame because it's in the monthly level. Yeah, let's keep an eye on this guy. I failed to figure out what Russian market is doing. It's just like, it's not a free market, you know what I mean? So it does its own thing. For all I care, dollar reverses back, looks down as it should. I think it's gonna shoot up in August, like it normally does, or September. Yeah, if it comes here, boom, and shoots up. I think it will go back to like 100, 120 rubles per dollar, you name it. Just see how beautifully RTS hangs out, just like rests here, consolidates. I wish I knew whether it accumulates or distributes. Distributes. Oh, my English is failing me. I have an excuse, I'm severely underslept. It's not an excuse, really. Interesting. It's still in this corridor, so this range kind of holds still. That's insane. That's insane. Yeah. And the actual range is here. This is called contracting triangle. I don't know like the proper English term, but like triangle, which like does not expand but contracts in the range. That one is the hardest to be traded within the Roman strategy that I use, just because I need to price to bounce of to manipulate and interact with the support and resistance. And here, like, support and resistance narrows, so it never like bounces of it, but just it goes boom, boom. Something is gonna happen on this market. There's been, I don't do anything like this, but like just to make it visual, that's what I mean. Hold on. You see what I mean? and it never like interacts with the support and resistance, which I do perpendicular. But yeah, something is gonna happen with this market, I promise you that. It will shoot up. Boom, 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 and then hopefully up. Hopefully for Russia. But maybe not. Yeah, technically it was a spring. There was a volume. Now it's testing the spring. Interesting. Keep on watching. Crude oil breaks its range, goes higher. Looked pretty bullish until this volume. So never mind this anymore. That's gonna keep an eye tomorrow. Yeah, Intel does look bearish. Boom, 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 0.5. It went down. And went down. Sad story. It's good up to 0.5. Volume up thrust, test, resumption. No context on daily, on monthly. That would be beautiful, I think. If it comes here with weakness, like bam, 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 bam. Posi. Looks like way too violent to do pretty much anything with it. Volume still stands. But yeah. Wild. Wild. That was going on here. This thing just hangs out. When you trade, it's premature, maybe. Was there any warranty it's gonna go to 0.5 and protect this level and go up? No. Will it go up tomorrow? I don't know. Do I like the streak? Yes. Would have it given me a better entry? Would have I waited? Would it give me the better entry? Would have I waited? Gosh, I need to go to English second language class. Yeah, like way better entry. But there's no way I could see it happening. 919, so that's the bearish. 908, 918, that's bullish. Yeah, so this dude, volume distribution is great. Everything, it looks good, except for the fact, once again, playing by the book, just not to forget. Officially, it's transition extremum, but practically, volume is down here, so not worried about it. Even more so, I'm quite excited. Quite excited. I think it will change the direction, unfortunately, before it comes to 0.5. And I won't be able to trade it just purely of 0.5. I'll need it to change direction again, or possibly If it comes to 0.5, I think now we can visualize it, formalize it on daily. On daily, like more so, we would want to have it, but it's continuation of the trend, so no, we don't. If it makes us a test level here at 0.5, that would be beautiful, and then like springs, I would buy it, no matter the monthly level. I don't believe in it. I think the probability that this is an actual level is very low. Resistance level. So if it came here, made us like a test level, and then springed it, I would buy more. Unlike this guy that's dying. DEAD. If not the volume distribution being like weird here. Well, that was actually a test today. Oh, wow. Look at this. Yeah. Look at this. It twists and curls. However, it's like a little bit too much of a volume. But other than that, that was a test today. So like super technically, there's nothing that, there is no way in this world I would have traded this like this. But technically it's a setup. Boom. This volume is no bueno. What happened? And the telecommunication just pooped its pants. I don't know what happened here, but yeah. Bed Bath and Beyond. Well, not on daily though. Yeah. Vice versa on minutes or something, because on daily it's this. It's not that far really. Google is in balance. Unwall top thrust. So yeah. And the whole volume is there, look at it. It's not here, it's here. That was a balance. I don't know. That's the stock I want to buy because of where it is on yearly. Monthly volume distribution. Everything checks out. Just need an entry on this guy. That would be the level. Needs to come there though. This guy as well. Change directions. Unfortunately, I won't be able to do anything from 0.5. and volume distribution is not there, and that was the last day of the month, so I'd assume. But even before that, 920 kilos, 896 kilos. So in all reality, I cannot put a sign of strength here. I would want to. I'll be watching closely. Or if it does a balance here, comes to 0.5, does a nice balance or like exhaustion volume, some signs of. Because look, this volume still dominates. Yeah, this was like this crazy volume. If not for this volume, that would be like so perfect. But it is what it is. This level is broken. And it's the first sign of change of direction. So I'm not even sure what I'm looking for. Except for the trouble. So yeah, counter trend now. It's funny, but yeah, broke the level, but it's good in day trade to up through this 0.5. Yeah, something quick and easy. Let's keep an eye. Toronto Bank Dominion freaked me out with this volume, which was probably technical. It's a great setup here. I chickened out because I was afraid. Yeah. Continuation of the trend is not an option. Still officially it's in correction now. So our only option is this. Yeah. It's far beyond our sign of strengths. And look at this guy. No bueno. Yeah, so no. Nothing here looks healthy. Looks like an exhaustion. A lot. At least for a decent correction. Correction to 0.5 of. You know what I mean? For this. It's extended. This is baloney. But super duper technically. It's expanding. T2, or rather ice in perfect 0.5 is a perfect volume, then goes down using call spread, and now we are going down and then up. So say break change. I'm being just anal right now, but anyhow, that was too. It can go from here again. I see strength. However, this doesn't look like weakness. But they're both like are bullish in their essence. I don't know what to tell you guys. Just went down, like down, 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 bounced, and down, down, down. Probably can bounce. If not for the monthly level, like I would be buying, I would have bought like from here, from anywhere, but just like too high up there. what I'm trying to do here. Yeah, I don't know. Just goes without changing direction, like expands the ice level. 2.5. Totally ridiculous. Absolutely possible. Unvolumed upthrust, so I would expect it to extend it. Counter trend. Yeah. No. I don't see it going down, at least not yet. And this volume. Didn't we see another like super big volumes on 27th of June? Is it another technicality? And by the way, this is continuation of the trend, right? Yes. Oh, but I keep it on an hourly watch. Hold on. Yeah. Those are my continuations of the trend. Still work? Oh no, this is in correction now officially. Officially. Yeah, so 0.5 does not work like this anymore. It works for the entire boom. Yeah. So that is this now. Yeah, just didn't have enough of like power to go juice to 734. Yeah, like if we'd upthrust it here would be perfect boom. But those are daily watches. Wait. Yeah, this is now daily watches. Yeah. So it's RTX. Oh, no. This is too low anyway. I don't know why I'm even like watching it on my dailies. Just for funsies, but like this 0.5 is... It can when the wave is just born, so if it was a manipulation of monthly, so it was like if it was here, then maybe, but not the way it is right now. It's too scary. Oof. Moscow exchange. Russian market didn't like it today. What happened? Oh, is it because of the suicide? The Department of Transport, head of the transportation department, was fired by Putin and subsequently committed suicide, shot himself. Since when it was? I mean, C-level managers of resource companies and governors killing themselves, quotes and quotes, is no news for Russia, especially since the beginning of the war. There was a big, I feel like, cleansing or infiltration where C-levels of the oil companies that effectively belong to government would jump out the windows or, you know, shoot themselves in their head and shit like that. So I wonder if that was the reason. Hold on, something is happening. Things are happening. Okay. Okay, guys, I gotta go soft tape. But you stay well. Oh, it's GM, by the way. It looks good for all I care. This is like a bigger picture. Yeah, and change the direction. This is not very inspiring, but where is it? Yeah, it's there. It's right here. We're still above it. Yeah, it's all here. We're correcting into it. That's so interesting. It actually looks good. It looks interesting. For hourly, yeah, that's our hourly 0.5 correction. No, if it corrected somewhere, it's looking down now. It doesn't matter. But when it comes to, yeah, and does a test level here, it's doable. Okay, guys, you gotta go. But see you tomorrow and trade responsibly on your own. Don't listen to anyone.